Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorial how to draw 3D polyline. Now you can orbit for the view, you can press shift button, hold and then press middle mouse, it will be automatically use the orbit. And you can see we have three axes, X axis, Y axis and Z axis. Now to use the 3D polyline tools, you can click at this polyline icon drop down menu and then choose 3D polyline. As example, I will click start from this point and we move into x-axis. I will set into 3 for length. We move again into y-axis 3, and then for z-axis you can move to the top this and we set into 3. Now if you enter again to close, and it will be automatically create the 3D polyline. I will create again by using these 3D polyline tools. I will move into y-axis 3, connect it to here. I will click again from this point with these 3D polylines to x-axis 3, then z-axis to the bottom. Yeah, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorial how to use 3D polyline. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.